Hello dear children, good morning to all. This is your maths class. So now we are going to learn about calendar and time. So all of you take the chapter Time Goes On and take page number 102. In this chapter we are going to do some particular activities for our convenience. So take the page number 102 in your textbook. Here they gave a calendar of 2018. So see the calendar, monthly calendar in your page number 102. So look at the page and listen carefully. You have some questions regarding that calendar. So now come to page number 103. So you have few questions related to that calendar. Let us look at the calendar for the year 2018. So from that calendar, how many months does a year have? So now take 102. See how many months you have in that calendar. So obviously we know we have 12 months in a year. Let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Yes, we have 12 months in a year. So our answer is 12. Next question. List the months which have 30 days. So in a monthly calendar, we have some months are in 31 days, some months are in 30 days. Okay, so here you have to list the months which have 30 days. So again you see the calendar and take a list of the months. So January has 31 days, February has 28 days because smallest month is February. Next, March has 31 days. Here April has 31 days. So April is 31 days. April has 30 days. May has 31 and June 30 days. July 31 days. August 31. September is 30 days. Here you have number 30. So how many days in September? 30 days. So September. October is 31. November you have 30 days. So last one December is also has a 31 days. So how many months has 30 days? 4 months. That's all. They are April, June, September and November. So these 4 months have 30 days. List the months which have 31 days. So except the above months and February, all other months has 31 days. So they are January, March, May, July, August, October and December. So these months have 31 days. Next question. How many days does the month of February have? So from that calendar, we have 28 days in a month of February. So see here, we have only 28 days. So how many days in a month of February? 28 days. Next question. How many days makes a week? We know In a week we have 7 days. So your answer is 7 days. How many weeks are there in July? So every month has 4 weeks. So your answer is 4. Is it true for all the months? Yes. So see here. So in a week we have 7 days. We should have 4 weeks in a month. Apart from that, we have 1 or 4 days in a month. So obviously we have 4 weeks in a month. Not only July, every month has a 4 weeks. Next question, in which month did you come to class 3? So for our school, every March we promoted into next grade. So last year March you are come to class 3. So your answer is March. M-A-R-C-H. March. Next one, make a circle on these dates in a calendar. So here you have 3 dates. You should mark a circle in that calendar. So first one, 26th January. This is 26th January. Here I already marked the answer, 26th January. So here you have 26th of January. Next one is 14th November. So this is a month of November, 14th November. So here we have number 14. Next, last one, 31st December. So here a month of December, and here we have a 31st. Okay, next we move on to, is there something special about these days? Yes. So 26th January is, we are celebrating a Republic Day. So 26th January is a special day because we are celebrating Republic Day. Next we move on to next question. So this is very simple. We have some year in the yellow box. So following that we have some questions. You have to answer the following questions. Which year was it 2 years back? So listen, here we have a 2018 calendar. Okay, so here you have 2018 calendar. So take it in your mind and write the answer to comparing this one. So now the year is 2018. So உங்களுக்கு வந்து 2018 calendar கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So அந்த calendarல இருந்து நம்ம இந்த answers எழுதலாம். ஓகேவா? So 2018க்கு வந்து 2 years back பின்னாடி போகணும். So 2 subtract பண்ணணும். So the answer is 2016. In which year were you in class 2? So in 2020 you are in class 3. So 2019 you are in class 2. So the answer is 2019. Which year will be the next year? So again I remember that we have 2018 calendar. So what is the next year of 2018? Next year of 2018 is, we have to add 1 to the 2018. 2018 கூட நம்ம 1 வந்து add பண்ணும்போது we will get 2019. So the answer is 2019. Fourth question, which year will come after 3 years? So you have to add 3 to the given year. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So here we have 1 carryover. So 2 1, that is 2021. 2021 is after 3 years. that is this year. So I hope you all understand this. Please copy these answers in your workbook. Thank you children. We will see you in the next class.